I have a Juki 2200 VP Mini, as you can see. I was having problems. It was working slowly and thunking, and I took the top off and then noticed that there was caught in the flywheel a lot of string, as you can see. Wasn't having any luck just moving the flywheel and trying to get it out because the tools were not appropriate. However, I found that if I remove the screws on the side here, then it revealed enough of the thread that I could access it easily. Didn't have to do anything that required any electronics, for which I am grateful. So just a short problem if you're having problems with your flywheel and it doesn't seem to be related to anything over in the stitching area. You've cleaned out your bobbin case, you've lifted the plate and checked everything else out, then just give a try there. All you have to do is remove the screws from there and there, and then remove the side plate there. It gives you enough space to get at it. Using a combination of scissors, tweezers, tiny crochet hook, I was able to get a lot of the thread out, all of the thread out. Amazing. That color was something I used about 2 years ago on a machine, so it took really 2 years for it to get itself tangled enough that it impacted the sewing level. And as you can see, it's now clean area there. And I did do a little bit of moving the hand wheel back and forth to loosen it, cutting threads. But patience, it was about 10 to 15 minute job of getting things out, and hopefully my problem is solved. Have a good day, and good luck in all your sewing repairs. Bye now.